have this beautiful SF90 here. But this spec is absolutely beautiful. My cars are going for like 1.2, 1.3. They merged in so quick and there's oh my God. And I cut left, coming like a bullet. Bam!
Everything's broken, so like technically you should just rip it out because everything's being replaced. But
anything JDM, anything right-hand drive, no problem. The car came in, it was demolished everywhere, broken lip pieces. We're gonna give it back its life where it's how it should have been from the dealer. All right, guys, we have this beautiful SF90 here. It is obviously in my favorite color. It's in Corsa red. Yeah, all the red cars that are here, look, Corvette, another Corvette, the SF90, Impala, the Integra outside. The whole shop is bleeding. Whole shop, I think we got some other cars outside that are red, and then that side too, bro. It's just, it's a bloody day, that's for sure. But this spec is absolutely beautiful. I posted the car the other day on Instagram, and people are going crazy. A lot of people that don't even know. Yeah, a lot of them are like, oh, is this yours? I'm like, I don't know. When this car came out, obviously I fell in love with it, but the price tag was crazy. It was over, cars are going for like 1.2, 1.3. I seen some for even like 1.4. There's somewhere in the low like 900s to a mil, especially if you had a Spider. But a high spec like this has everything, all carbon, everything. From inside and out. This, I believe, if I'm not mistaken, is an aftermarket part. Yeah, is there? It might be Vorsteiner. Oh, Novatec, right there. Yeah, perfect. So Novatec, that might be a Novatec diffuser as well. But I know they had the factory option of carbon. Interior is crazy on this car too. But yeah, a lot of people are going nuts. They're like, yo, what is that? And I had a guy message me. He's like, yo, it has like the shaping of the F50. And I love that car. It's honestly one of my dream cars. I had a die-cast model of that F50 back in the days. Obviously the F40 is like the ultimate Ferrari, the old school one that everybody loves. But the F50 I feel like is kind of underrated. And it just has a lot more of a bubbly shape to it. And this car mimics it. There's actually a render of this car with like an F50 style wing and like some accent pieces. I'll try to pull it up, but yeah, it looks crazy. Here, you know what? Let me pull it up right now. Look at that.
Oh, that
they rendered it. We see so the wing. I'm gonna see if there's a rear shot. There you go.
Yeah.
So they did like a render of how the old school F50 was, and they brought the wing into the actual quarter panel. So it's like it's all molded. So if someone did make that kit, they would technically, all they would have to do is get a replacement panel for the quarters and then build the actual wing into it.
Yeah.
And then, bro, it'll look like an F50. It's absolutely beautiful though. I love this car. Look at the interior. This thing is covered in carbon everywhere, like from the dashboards to the seats, to the center console, back to the seats, the whole entire back panel there. Like everything you think of is carbon, even the small extension pieces. You got the Ferrari kick plate at the bottom. No, these are the factory ones. We have aftermarket wheels we're gonna put on there for him. He's getting the Ferrari center cap for them. I forget what wheels they are, but a lot better fitment. Obviously, it's gonna be flush because the factory wheels on any car, doesn't matter if it's an exotic or a Civic, this fitment's always garbage. Unless it's a Porsche 911 GT3 RS, because the factory fitment is disgusting on my car. Honestly, I don't think there's ever any manufacturer that ever made a car that's that flush and that crazy of a fitment. Even with the height, it's perfect. But yeah, you can see it's almost negative like 25, 30 millimeters in. So the aftermarket wheel will be up to here, flush with the fender. Same with the rears, you can see how tucked in it is. And a car like this, you don't want to put spacers. Yeah. So you just do aftermarket wheels. But yeah, take a look at this car. Absolutely disgusting. We did a few mods, you know, let's go. Said this from my tongue, yes, I'm like, yeah, I need to PP up this windshield. I always talk about protecting everybody's windshield, and I didn't protect this one yet. I'm like, yeah, fuck 7 always rocks all, like it, even with PP up or wrap, it's still like it's damaging that, right? And look, today I'm driving, a dump truck's in front of me, I'm like, oh, let me cut the lane quick, because he just came out, he came on that 401 split.
Yeah,
they merged in so quick, and there's oh my God. And I cut left on a rock, I seen like a bullet, bam! Thank God it didn't crack, but it chipped it. See right here? Yeah. Here, and I think there was another one, so it might have been 2. So right here, you see it chipped? That actually chipped it. And then this one here. This one was the first one I got.
literally watched this yesterday.
I know. Look, you can see all see all this when it goes white and it's like dust around. That's a rock that hit it. Well, thank God we have PPF, but the PPF is getting demolished. Yo, I gotta repowder coat these or just get new ones. It's faded out now. I can just powder coat it red. I don't need it to stay toe.
It's shifted, so it's inwards.
Let's see.
This guy and that guy. See how it's kind of bent inwards?
Yeah.
You got a socket on it. It can be kind of difficult.
Just that one bolt that's in there?
I'm gonna try getting the headlight out. Once the headlight is out,
Then you can reach in.
maybe I can reach in from this side.
Hey, wait, did that get on you?
No, bro, coolant is slip. Yeah, you won't fucking know.
So taking this light out, you'll be able to get to that bolt you were talking about?
I hope so.
If not, this whole thing is a waste of time.
Everything's broken, so like technically you can just rip it out because everything's being replaced, but
I guess you don't want to break things that might not be broken.
yeah. Well, this is getting caught up on something. It's probably fucking piece of shit.
I swear if you keep wiggling it, it will just come out.
Oh, f there's a connector here.
Do you think it's like behind
It's
here?
right here. So if I go wiggle this side, get this one out. I don't know how to
There you go.
Step one complete.
Step one, light out. step one of many.
Yeah, it's right-hand drive. I think it's like an old school. I don't know. It looks like an Evo, or like an old school Lancer Evo, no?
Oh yeah. Who is that?
I don't know. They just pull up. I think it's
He's
super,
welcome
super fire. Very, very nice.
here. He's very welcome.
Anything JDM, anything right-hand
yeah.
drive, no problem. So clean. Look at the interior, man.
Whoa.
Wow. Yeah, it is a chaser. That's crazy. You drift this thing or what? You drift it? Oh, you gotta swap it? You gonna put a 2J? Oh yeah, it's auto. Manual swap? 2J swap? 2J. Wow, this is so clean though. Even has the JDM antenna. Work wheels. Yeah, full underbody. It'll be
Full
bumpers,
underbody, but
side skirts.
You're not gonna drill or anything, right?
No drilling. Nope, everything gets fished. We take apart some stuff, maybe some liners, wherever to fish the wires, and then it's urethaned on.
You're gonna install all the switches.
It's with the Bluetooth on your phone with the app.
Okay,
You can control everything with your app.
Okay. Also, I wanna do like some lower the car, like do you guys order stuff from the Japan?
We can get the stuff,
Yeah.
but the car is lowered already.
It's lowered, but
Do you wanna go even lower?
Like a negative camber.
Oh, camber.
Yeah.
So if you're gonna do all that, we can get the camber arms and all that stuff. And if it's lowered, it most likely is on coilovers.
Yeah.
So you can just adjust it.
Okay.
But if you're gonna go camber and everything, then you're gonna go bigger wheels. So you gotta go.
Yeah, I'm gonna order the bigger wheels.
Yeah, if you get the wheels, you know your specs, you're gonna go super wide spec, and then
Yeah.
we camber everything out.
Oh.
Nero, N-I-R-O, and then company's Art in Motion. So shoot me a text message now with your name and the car, model, everything, and then I'll save your contact. Well, we have another Z06 here.
I was gonna say this isn't yours.
No, it's not mine. Definitely not as clean as mine at all. Car came in, it was demolished everywhere, broken lip pieces. It was PPF.
Why the bumper's off?
Yeah, it was PPF, I guess right when the car was made and delivered. PPF was horrible. Lines were everywhere. Like the pre-cut lines, example for like the fender, were like over here, like almost a quarter an inch away from the actual edge. Everything was exposed. Panels were exposed on the front, were like, you know, pieces that would get all chipped. Headlights weren't even PPF'd, so completely pitted, rock chipped.
So are you getting the headlights we got?
Yeah. They're getting re-cleared right now as we speak. Front bumper is getting repainted. Again, with having so many exposed pieces, it was all pitted. So it's like, you're gonna now remove the PPF, and then it's gonna be fresh, and then those little areas are gonna be raw, and it'll look like crap. So it'll look like, yeah. So I'm like, you know what? Let's just paint it. Painted it. Got the front lip. We're actually repairing it. I think actually everything's done. Actually, body shop called me. So the front lip, we ended up saving him. Repaired the lip, fiberglass style lip. So we repaired the lip, and then we also ordered 2 new end plates from the dealer. So instead of getting a whole aftermarket version, we're still sticking with OEM, and you'll have a new front lip extension. So these ones are broken over here. You can see it's like damaged, and then the other side's completely missing a whole piece in it. Davut is almost done. Full body PPF this time, not just the front. So we removed the front, redid the front, did the rest of the car. We also did, this
how I knew
difference.
it wasn't your car.
Yeah, so we did the gloss black. A lot of Corvette guys do this. It just looks really, really sinister. Plus this one, because its headers are done on this, there's no cats. The amount of like soot and like black smoke that was on the factory paint just looked horrible. So now at least with it black, you won't really notice it as much. And then we're gonna be repairing his diffuser for him this winter with someone called AK Carbon. You see, I don't know, I guess the bolts came through. So we're gonna get that fixed for him and do some other modifications, get this thing like track ready for next year, B blocks. Like we have a whole like list of stuff what we're gonna be doing to this car, which I'm excited for. Crazy.
You should do that on his car.
On his?
Yeah.
And put nitrous in yours? No. Full coverage, right? Right, Davut? Full coverage only. Yeah, no line.
You should have seen him put
See
in
that? No, even with the even with the mirror on, because this car, again, there's a whole story on this car, but if we don't want to be removing this panel when it's been removed so many times, when it's already like falling apart, so we found a way to do it without taking the mirror out and then not even putting a seam. Magic Mike.
This guy didn't
Magic Mike. I'll call him Magic Mike.
You didn't want to
You
show
know, he had his tactic, his technology little thing, you know, and just went in, just slipped right in. Wheels we powder coated. I don't know if you've seen on the other side.
Oh, is that what those wheels on the other side are?
Yeah, so we re-powder coated his wheels, had a bunch of curb rash, and we ordered brand new Cup 2 tires for this because I couldn't get R888s in this size for him. So we'll do the R888s on his beadlocks maybe instead of doing the Huizers. I don't know what he wants to do, but yeah, so they're gonna have new tires as well. And this thing is gonna be tinted, windshield PPF we're gonna be doing, and then at least this thing is protected and it'll look like new and
Has a second life.
yeah. We're gonna give it back its life where it's how it should have been from the dealer.